Hello, this is Sailor with Range Bank. I will be giving you a tutorial on how to use Range Bank's MyFinance tool. In this video, we will provide an overview of the tool. To use MyFinance, you need to be enrolled in Range Bank's digital banking platform. If you are not currently enrolled, click Enroll Now and follow the prompts. If you already have your login information, let's get started. First, you will enter your user ID and password to log in to our digital banking. Now that you are signed in, you will see your dashboard. To navigate to MyFinance, click one of your accounts. Then, in the menu bar on the right-hand side, click MyFinance. The tool will now launch. On the top right of your screen, you will see a graph depicting your spending into categories. You can change the graph's timeline displayed by selecting one of the buttons here. To the right, you will see the budget area. This is where you can set up monthly budgets to track your spending. Scrolling down, on the left is your cash flow, showing how cash has flowed in and out of your accounts as income and expenses. Next to the cash flow is your net worth. Here, you can see your full financial picture once you add in other items, like home value, 401k, investments, and other items to show your true financial landscape. Continuing to scroll down, on the left you can see all of your accounts, both at Range Bank and elsewhere. This is where you can link your credit cards and accounts you may have at other financial institutions. On the right is your transactions from your accounts. In the transactions section is where you will make your transactions have the appropriate tags, which will help you keep on track for your monthly budgets. Now let's dive a little deeper into accounts. By clicking the Accounts tab, your Range Bank accounts will automatically be linked to your MyFinance. By clicking the plus symbol on the bottom right of your screen, you can add another account or set up alerts for a balance or specific store. Adding another account is easy. Simply click Add Linked Account. Then either click the name of the institution or search for it. Then enter your login information. As a security feature, you may have to double authorize by entering a code you receive via text message or phone call. Your account is now linked. Now, let's dig into the Transactions section. Click View All Transactions. Here, you can search for specific transactions at the top. You can search for transactions based on the name of the transaction. By clicking this icon, you can perform a more detailed search by store, minimum or maximum dollar amount, tags, accounts, and type. Clicking back to the transaction screen, below the search area, you can set to see your transactions for a specific time period and see a graph displaying your transaction spending over that time period. Next is detailed transaction information. Here, you can edit the tag of the specific transaction. Make sure your transactions are tagged correctly. It's very important if you are tracking a specific tag for a budget. You will want to log into MyFinance somewhat frequently to make sure your transactions are tagged correctly. You can also update a transaction tag from the main MyFinance overview page. Finally, we will cover the net worth section. Navigate to the main overview page and scroll to net worth. Now click View Net Worth. Your net worth will link all of your accounts at financial institutions that you have already linked into the tool. You will also want to link in your 401k or another retirement plan, along with your home value and mortgage, along with any other assets or liabilities you may have. To add an asset or liability, simply click the appropriate button. From here, you can link another account, such as your 401k if you have your login information. Or you can simply type in the name of the asset or liability and the dollar amount. If you enter the information manually, you will need to update that information over time if the item's values change or you pay off your loan. In the next tutorial videos, we will cover how to set up a budget and how to set up a goal. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoy Range Bank's MyFinance tool.